Hi, this is Chris from the Stephanie Miller Show. Please enjoy this exclusive clip from Political Voices Network.
Wow, is she a bad lawyer?
She's awful.
Holy crap.
Oh my
terrible.
God.
We got to talk to Barb McQuaid in a few minutes.
She's been paid over $2.5 million by Donald.
What,
though.
she's been paid? Mm-hmm. He paid somebody?
I think it's out of his
Really?
PACs.
Wow.
Really?
His
Oh,
PACs
well,
are
his
paying
his
her.
suckers paid her.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, holy crap. Poor, even the judge felt pity. Like, Tristan Snell, our friend, was like, she does not seem to know how to
She's not a trial
present
lawyer.
evidence to
No.
you stand for an objection. How you, like,
She does like contract law, doesn't she?
Yeah, I mean, she's
Yeah,
not a
that's-
litigator.
has
Right,
she never
that's-
been in a courtroom?
No,
Like, she's
not a litigator. She's not
Right.
that kind. She's not a trial judge.
Right.
Or
She
lawyer,
does like
excuse me.
contract law, which
Yeah.
means she reads over contracts and makes sure that they're
And maybe
Solid.
negotiates things,
Yeah.
but you don't stand up
and
for that.
concentrates on being pretty.
you don't
Right.
present. Yeah, she's
Yeah.
never presented a case before a jury before. That takes a completely different skill.
It's a
Yeah.
different skill set. And
Yeah.
apparently she doesn't watch law programs because you stand up when the judge is talking to you.
Not even
Yeah.
hot bench.
She said thank you.
Yeah. Our friend Joyce Vance, our other legal lady,
Mm-hmm.
she just, I mean, and they always try to sort of be nice because, you feel it's another legal lady, I guess. She, Alina Habba's shocking courtroom antics in Trump's defamation showcase, just what kind of client the former president makes. She says Joyce Vance professed her felt stunned at the blunders Habba made as she cross-examined E. Jean Carroll. It's shocking that a former president is represented by a lawyer who doesn't seem to know her way around the courtroom, said Vance. He is so toxic that most good lawyers won't touch him. Habba's juvenile retorts are only serving to antagonize Judge Kaplan, who at one point was forced to take pity and explain how to conduct a cross-examination and submit evidence.
Yeah,
You don't, under any circumstances, say, "I don't like to be spoken to that way, Your Honor," as though this is high school and you're dismissing the girls who aren't cool. Habba's display is embarrassing. Yeah, has she never even watched a courtroom show?
I know, just
what do you mean
watch
I don't like to
Perry
be spoken? Judges tell attorneys to shut up and sit
All the
down
time.
all the time.
All the time.
All the time.
It's just, I'm pretty. No one speaks to me that way. I am pretty.
I can pretend to be smart.
Yes, Alina Habba.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Thank you. By the way, a lot of people blame us every time someone says her name on TV. They automatically say.
Bless you.
Bless you.
All right.
Drew the ire of Judge Kaplan during her second day of cross-examining. She tried, Habba said, "You did media." E. Jean Carroll said, "We had 5 TV appearances." And she said, "You've been on left-leaning platforms."
Does that matter?
Okay. Carroll's attorney, no, it does not.
No, it doesn't.
Go to his
What does
guilt
it
or
d-
anything.
matter?
that's a
E.
First
Jean
Amendment
Carroll's
thing.
attorney objected. Habba again asked, they are left-leaning. Judge Kaplan said, "Did you not hear me?" Because he had already sustained the objection.
Right.
And then
You
she
cannot
tried
ask
it.
again.
Like, she's never seriously even watched Law and Order like
No.
you have.
I mean,
Could you sub in? I feel like that would be a
I'm not
a
nearly
mitzvah.
pretty enough or young enough for him to hire me.
You are pretty
Get
enough.
some chunky
you
blonde
is,
highlights and he
There you
might.
go.
you
Yes.
That'll
is
do it.
kind, you is smart, you is important. And you know a courtroom better than she does, and
Yeah.
you've just watched
Apparently
Law and
I
Order.
do.
And it was your birthday yesterday.
Yay, it's your birthday. Happy birthday.
It's my friend Tia's birthday and my friend Jeff Pilson's birthday today
Her mom called while we were on the air yesterday.
to wish me a happy birthday.
Does she not know what time you were?
It was like 9:01, so she knew we were off air.
I don't think she
Hi,
listens.
Carol.
What? She doesn't.
She doesn't listen. No.
She misses all of the humor here.
Brilliance.
The Emmy Award-winning humor.
Did you win an Emmy?
No.
No.
I was going to steal
I was
one.
nominated.
I was going to steal. Jody was nominated. If she won, I was going to steal it and put it right here without comment every morning.
Instead, you have a bronze of your ass.
There you go.
Well, you know,
It's a nice ass.
we all have something. Thank you.
It's spectacular, actually.
Thank you,
is.
Chris.
Yeah.
Thank you. Take that, Carol bag of Emmys, Burnett. Look at that body of work. That's a lot of spinning classes. In-laws funeral. I'm
Please.
sure he was very broken up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Totally broken up. Yeah.
His son is like 14 feet taller.
Yeah.
That apparently
Jesus.
makes Trump mad too. He doesn't like that Barron's taller than him because he's
Well, Trump's not short. He's like 6 something,
Here,
isn't he?
look.
Yeah.
not as tall as his doctor says he is.
Well,
but okay. Yes. Oh no, I've seen. Yeah, Yeah, he's very tall.
Tall.
Wow.
Yeah.
They're all in the same step, too.
Yeah, they're all
Wow,
on the
that's
same
like
step.
Lurch
He's
tall.
That's
exactly
exactly
what
what I
you
said.
said.
I said he looks like Lurch.
Wow. Everybody calm down. All right. Yeah, I mean, the analysis of what we'll talk to Barb McQuaid in a minute, but the analysis of what's going on in this courtroom. Oh, my God. Trump behaved like a villain straight out of Central Casting when he appeared in New York City courtroom Thursday as the jury heard evidence. Yeah, and we were saying, you don't get to act like a Hamburglar so the jury can hear you.
Right.
He's like, blah, blah, blah,
Rabble.
con job, liar, blah, blah. It's like, this is what you're on trial for, is defaming her. The jury
Right.
can hear you. Oh, my God. Yes, legal analyst Lisa Rubin said Trump has embraced the novel strategy of acting exactly like a cartoonishly evil villain on an episode of Law & Order.
There you go.
Yep.
Special Victims Unit. Despite repeatedly whining about how much time he has to spend in court, Trump has shown up in court, even though he doesn't have to, just to intimidate not just Carol, but the jury members. The only way he could seem any more like a sexual predator is if he wore a raincoat to court and periodically flashed any woman who came into view. It's true. I mean, it's just, okay. Oh, and then they played that clip of, he's just such a pig, and always has been, about, it was like another version of, if you're famous, you can grab women by the seat, right?
Exactly.
But what was the thing he said? Oh, it's been true for, the last million years or so, fortunately or unfortunately. Like, really? Oh, fortunately? If you're a star, you can grab, oh my God. Pig! Just a pig.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, here's the other moment. Wow, Robbie Kaplan's a really super good lawyer. I'm not sure whether it's that she's so good and Alina Habba is so bad. I think it's both.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alina Habba's 2-day effort
Bless
to...
you.
Bless you.
Thank you. To discredit E. Jean Carroll's defamation case collapsed under the weight of a single question from E. Jean Carroll's lawyer. Habba hoped to prove that the damages she contends she suffered occurred before Trump accused her of lying about his sexual abuse. What? Carol's lawyer, Robbie Kaplan, cut that argument's legs out with one question, said Joyce Vance. The question was, did any of the tweets before Donald Trump's statement call you a Democratic operative or say you should be raped? No, Carol said, neither.
Done.
I mean, what a stupid argument.
I know.
That she suffered. Nobody, right? Hardly anybody knew anything about her before Trump started calling her a whore and a liar.
Yeah.
Anyway, but I God bless her. Can I just say, somebody made the point about how many cowardly, weenie Republicans have not stood up to Donald Trump despite knowing exactly who he is because they're scared. And here's this, she's 80.
Yep.
Like, she needs this. Like,
She doesn't
like,
need it. No.
like, you want to, be called a whore and get rape threats every day when you're 80.
Right.
She just decided, what did she say? I think she said in court, women have been told to shut up enough. I'm not going to shut up. It's like, she's a hero. She is a, God bless the United States and God bless E. Jean Carroll. When can we get her on? She frequently will retweet us.
Let's wait
and do
until
stuff.
she's
I know.
done with the...
We got to wait for that.
Okay.
Okay, but we love you,
Yes, we do.
E. Jean.
We do.
We will wait for you no matter what
She
occurs.
said she would come on.
I know it,
Yeah.
right? Oh my God, I love her so much. Yeah, and people have been talking about she was known as obviously such a great writer and all of this stuff before this whole mess.